Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2009 Kubota BX2360. This is just going to be a subcompact tractor with a 60-inch belly mower deck. Now this does have the remote valve already on it, so that you want to add an LA 243 loader. If you can come up with one, you can put it right on. 1,280 hours. It is a very good running working tractor. We did do a service on it. Front tires are brand new, and the reason the edges had some chafes on them. There again, it was a mowing tractor its whole life. Mechanically very good tractor. We did service it, go through it. We're going to start you under the hood, take you completely around it. So under the hood of this tractor, powered by a very reliable Kubota D902 engine. Starts and runs excellent. There's no abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. We did do a complete and full service. All filters have been changed. It is part of what we do here. I like to service our equipment before we sell it, and we know what we have. This bottom valance here was cracked, or the bonnet as they call it. We did put a brand new one of them on. That was 500 bucks from Kubota. Like to do that kind of stuff. Makes a nice piece for us to sell, and it's something we don't have to worry about. The deck is in good shape. There is some paint loss areas on it. There again, it's been a mowing tractor its whole life, but it is still a very good, affordable subcompact tractor. I will have some blades we're going to be hooking up with this tractor and selling here, some snowplow power angle blades. I will have one of those to be offered with the tractor if you want to purchase one with it. Category 1 3-point hitch. I do not have the top link with it. Turf tires, again, fronts are new, rears are going to be 75%, still in very good condition. Seat is good. There's one small little crack right there. Other than that, very good shape. You do have your selection of PTO over here. You've got your mid and rear, just rear or just mid. PTO engagement, up and down for your 3-point lever. High-low range, 4-wheel drive. I'll show you here on the hours. 1,280, joystick loader control, power steering. I'm gonna go ahead and start this tractor up, run around, shoot everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, go ahead and put it in low range first. High range. We'll go ahead here and gauge mower deck. Mower deck's good and quiet. There it is, fellas. Good run and work a little tractor. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you want to come by and see this tractor yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. We have nothing to hide. We have a lot of other tractors to take a look at. Glad to help you in any way that we can. Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.